In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Christmas Gleaming bundle, which includes 2 punches. So if you purchase these all together, you get 10% off. It's an amazing bundle, as you're going to see here. So I'll move the punches aside, move the stamp set aside, and then we will start with the card. So the first thing is we're going to do some embossing. So I have some strips of Old Olive and Night of Navy, and I'm going to use the Versamark. And first, I'm going to remember to use the Embossing Buddy to just make sure everything is oil-free. And then I'm going to stamp with the Versamark. I'm going to do the little ornament on this piece, and we'll do the big ornament on this piece. Do it that way. And then I've got my copper embossing powder. I've had this for a very long time, but I love it. And we'll pour the powder all over where we stamped. And then we will go ahead and heat that up with the heat tool. See it starting to melt and change to a shiny color. So now that we have these embossed, I'm going to punch them out. We'll get that in there. Punch that one out. Punch this one out. Woo! Where did that fly off to? Okay, both of these are on dimensionals. I've got my piece here, and this is on dimensionals too. So now we can just assemble the card. So I've got these little strips right here, so I'm going to turn this paper over. This is the Brightly Gleaming DSP. It's just gorgeous paper, and it has all these copper accents. You're gonna love it. Get that on there. This is a little cheat way to save paper, is just to cut 2 strips of it and not use the whole sheet. I'm just gonna trim off that because it's a little bit taller. Okay, and then we'll place this in the middle. And then we will add this stitched shape oval in Very Vanilla. And then we will add our ornaments. And then I have this ribbon, just gorgeous ribbon, and it says Merry Christmas. So that's what I'm going to use for my sentiment. I'm just going to add this Merry Christmas across here. And there is our card using the Brightly Gleaming stamp set. Christmas Gleaming. The suite is called Brightly Gleaming. I get those mixed up. So I hope you've enjoyed watching me make this card in this video, and please go to my website, eStampin.com, and use the September Hostess code to order this bundle today. Thanks.